English Learning Network.
Good evening. Do you have a table for one?
Good evening. Yes, right this way, please. Here's your table.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Here's the menu. Would you like something to drink while you decide?
Yes. Could I have a glass of water, please?
Of course. I'll be right back. Here you are. Are you ready to order, or would you like a few more minutes?
I think I'm ready. What do you recommend today?
Our grilled chicken with vegetables is very popular. The pasta is also a favorite.
That sounds good. I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
Would you like any starter before your main course?
Yes, I'll try the tomato soup.
Great choice. And would you like something to drink besides water?
Yes, could I get a glass of orange juice?
Certainly. So, tomato soup, grilled chicken with vegetables, and orange juice. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Wonderful. I'll bring your soup in just a few minutes. Here's your soup. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. This looks delicious.
How is everything?
It's very tasty. I really like it.
I'm glad to hear that. Your main course will be ready soon. Here's your grilled chicken with vegetables. Be careful, it's hot.
Wow, it smells wonderful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy! Would you like any dessert today? We have chocolate cake, ice cream, and fruit salad.
Oh, that's tempting. I'll have the chocolate cake, please.
Excellent choice. One chocolate cake coming up. Here's your dessert. Do you need anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you. Could I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here's your check. That will be $18.50.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Would you like to pay by card or cash?
By card, please.
No problem. Please enter your PIN. Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Thanks. The food was excellent.
I'm happy you enjoyed it. Have a great evening.
You too. Goodbye.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.